kids. So what we have here is I would call it a stealth camper. You can call it whatever you want, but it is a very low miles 2018 box truck with solar on the roof. But I mean, you know, just looks like your standard, you know. I could do this, then you can see the whole thing. Big. I think that's 18. It's got to be 18. Look at how far over the wheel it is. That's cool. Well, let's find out. It's like that's a house within a house. That's awesome. All right, give me the tour.
All right.
This is great.
Got it. My little porch. Normally, the reflectors wouldn't be in here because I have the heat going.
Sure.
And I also have, when the roller door's down, I have more reflectix that goes to fill the gap. Because I wanted to keep the door so I could sit here on the porch.
On the porch.
Yeah.
The garage/porch. I like the flooring.
Oh.
Oh, I like this flooring even better. Holy cow, this is excellent. Oh, this is living. That is.
Yeah. My little table. This is the table for my house. I put it on wheels. My whole build, the look was from this trunk that my mom redid the inside of. So this is the only piece that I really wanted to keep. So I found another trunk on Facebook Marketplace and took it apart.
Ah.
And used
Oh
it
yeah.
for,
Okay.
like, some
Cool.
cabinet doors and stuff.
So does this come?
Yeah.
Oh, I see the
Yes.
ropes. Okay.
Yeah.
There's a word for that.
I kept it pulleys. Ropes and pulleys. Yeah, I just kept it simple.
Yeah. Yeah. No, that's
By
smart.
hand, I just cook it there. And I mean, it's lightweight.
No, this is
I
great.
didn't want to do like the Happy Jack bed system.
This filing cabinet is awesome.
Well, that was from Facebook Marketplace. I was not about to build drawers. My skills are not that great. So I figured this would be great for pests if any bugs or anything decide to come in. But of course I didn't.
Now that I saw an access port on the outside, is that in the forward compartment or is that behind this stuff?
It's for my air conditioner, which was an afterthought also.
All right.
Because I thought I'm just going to stay in the good.
Oh, okay, I see.
So yeah, so it's on slides, so I slide it out when I need to and slide it back in, so I'm not riding around with it.
No, that makes sense. I never even thought to slide it out. That's a great idea.
Yeah.
Well, this is excellent.
And that's just the air purifier in case I'm near wildfires. So it's from my
So-
house. I should probably get a smaller one.
Do you have a generator on board? Because that
No.
is a huge.
That's my solar generator.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Yeah, I have solar coming in, wires coming in, and then
Is there
to the
6 panels on a side? 12 panels?
there's 4 huge panels up there, household panels.
Okay.
I do not remember the numbers.
All right.
I'm not good
Is
at
it enough to
remembering.
make that?
Oh yeah, I mean I run my.
No.
Oh yes, nice, huh?
This coffee
my
maker is
fridge.
awesome.
That's actually a water filter.
Oh.
I just have it flipped the lid. I'm sure you've seen them, the Berkey water filters. I don't obviously drive with water in it, but in case I'm someplace I need to filter, that's great.
That's for the cat.
And then my kitchen cabinet, yeah, I had to figure the water thing out. I just keep a little bit in there all the time, and because I knew I would forget, and water would be everywhere. So yeah, I just have storage, down here and there, and I got my microwave and more just
This is full.
chargers and whatever else.
Yeah, full stealth camping. This
And
is genius.
Yeah, I did keep it pretty simple as far as like, if I want to camp at a campground, I wanted a way to plug in. So instead of going to the side, I went to the floor. So I have one of those, a screw cap.
Oh, all right.
Underneath.
Well, that's cool because it's not going to get water in it. It's not going to.
Exactly. And I didn't want to have to drill another hole. I mean, I did that one. And the port for the air conditioner, that was enough.
So this wall is. You have a fairly large forward compartment.
Yeah.
Well, a couple of
Here's
feet,
my-
foot or so.
This is actually only like 6 inches. But because my bed, I wanted to come straight down, I was going to waste, because it was just a metal shelf, and then it kind of bends up. It was only 6 inches. I was like, well, I still don't want to waste it, and it was ugly. So I just came up with this idea with
No, it's.
slider doors, and I didn't even finish it in here.
Ah, I
just
see
added
what you got.
insulation, and I just add, you know.
Yeah, but that's a great place for those nice.
Yeah, a whole bunch of little stuff.
The pirate's chest of coffee.
Yeah, yeah. So.
Oh, this is excellent.
This
Have you ever weighed this thing?
Yes. When I took it to my local DMV to get the tags done in February, I purposely weighed it down. Like I had all the waters, everything, all the food, and extra cattlers and everything, and it was 130 over.
Oh, okay, so
it was recommended.
10-1 or something like that.
And I have since, I started keeping track of more stuff that I got rid of and got rid of and got rid of, and
okay.
I think I'm good.
All right, yeah.
I should probably weigh it again.
Well, if you're the important difference is between 14,000 pounds and 6,000 pounds. Yeah, single tires, very cool.
So, yeah.
This porch that's awesome.
I haven't had a chance to really use it yet because the weather's been kind of cold.
Oh, that's great. I'm jealous.
Stealth.
Let's see who made the body. I thought it said BB. I've never heard of BB. Bodybuilder, I don't know.
Oh yeah, if you want to. When I got the truck, I had to take everything out. I mean, it had the wood that you saw in there, the thin panels. It had those all over the ceiling. It had wood on the walls, and it had this crappy little bit of insulation in there. I took all that out, and it had some minor leaks, like So I thought they were coming through here initially. So I was like, well, I'm going to seal all this up. And then it didn't work. I realized it was some of these. So I use Lexol on every single one of these. That's why it looks like that.
That seems time consuming.
Yes. And so, but it worked. At least. Because then I had 2 inches of insulation and I reused all that wood because this was, again, during COVID and everything. I couldn't find materials or it was really expensive.
I remember well. No, that's excellent. I'm jealous.
Yeah.
All right, cool. My app, Promaster phone app. Custom Promaster phone app.